athlete's routine on every single apparatus live on the ESPN app. I'm Alicia Sacramone-Quinn, and I'll be your analyst on our vault coverage throughout the championships. And after 2 rotations, the University of Utah leads the way with a 98.2625. UCLA is up on vault, and their first vaulter for the day will be Ms. Nia Dennis, former national team member. Major power, huge Yurchenko full to a slight stick step forward salute. Not sure how the judges are going to handle that one. The control was there, but there also was a step turn, so judges will be judges.